Hi guys, so today I'm going to be introducing to you the Marbella Beachside development. These are terrace homes in Scarborough. They're 4 levels, all of them are 4 levels. They're 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with double garages, and they all face west out toward the ocean. Hi there, Simon Atkins here, your brand new apartment specialist helping you buy, invest and relocate in Perth. So these are really stunning. We've had just incredible feedback on these. At the moment they're in construction, so move-in time would be expected around June next year, about 2 months after that. So I've made up a video for you just to give you a feel for this development so you understand it a little bit more, and then we'll be going through some floor plans of the 4 remaining because there's just 4 available. Okay, so I'll take you through those floor plans, and then you can understand a little bit more about the layouts of those as we go through that. In addition, I will just say the last word before I run the video around the development itself is that the developer is holding 3 of these terrace homes back because they know that if they sell them on completion, they'll get a lot more money for them. And in fact, these terrace homes that I'm talking about now, the 4 remaining ones, these have already been valued up in the estimated high 2 millions. So they're well below that at around 2.3 and a half. So you've already got some built-in equity there potentially. And of course, over the next year, the price increase, which we expect to be at least 10% between now and then. So it's going to cost you quite a bit. These 4 that we've got released that are still available now give you an opportunity to get real value and save a ton of money on this particular development. So without further ado, I'll run the video so you get a feel for this development, and then we'll go through some floor plans. So I hope that gave you a really good feel for the development itself, Marbella Beachside out in Scarborough there. So each of these terrace homes, as I mentioned earlier, are 4 levels. So on the ground level, you have a double garage and storeroom. On the first level, you have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, a rumpus room, and a laundry. On the second level, you have the main bedroom with a huge walk-in ensuite, a double vanity in the bathroom, and a powder room and a study. So on the level 3, you have the kitchen, the scullery, the dining area, the living area, and the outside entertaining area with the barbecue cooking area, and of course those fantastic views out towards the ocean. So I'll run the clip now just showing you each of the levels for each of these 4 available terrace homes, and each one will have 4 plans obviously showing you each level of each home. So we'll go through that now. So that's the remaining floor plans. If you've got any further interest in this particular development, contact me on my details in the description below or at the end of this video. So just remember, pricing right now, we're not going to be coming back to this type of pricing any further. The market in Perth is going to move well beyond that. So if you have any interest, just get in touch and I can help you out with further details.